Ashley here. Hi, Mia. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're going to talk about hamburgers. I mean, paragraphs. You ready? Let's go. I know you know how to write sentences. Maybe you've been writing sentences to explain how you feel, or what you did, or what you would like to do. Now, you can do so much more with sentences to make your writing interesting. When you want to say more about a topic, you can put together some sentences to create a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one main topic. A great way to think about a paragraph is to look at a burger. Yummy! A burger has several layers. There's a top bun, the fillers, the bottom bun, to keep it all together. Yum! Well, you can think of a paragraph in the same way. A paragraph has three main parts. The main topic or topic sentence, think of it like the top bun. A sentence that tells more about the topic, think of it like that juicy filler. And the ending sentence about the topic, which is like the bottom bun. Paragraphs talk about one main thing. So let's practice writing a paragraph about something you feel. Let's say you're excited. Maybe you're excited that your birthday party is happening tomorrow. And you are having family and friends over. These are three great sentences about one main topic. Your excitement about your birthday party. That is exciting. Since the sentences talk about one topic, you can put them together to create a paragraph like this. There's a topic sentence, a sentence that tells more, and a final sentence that tells even more about the topic. And they all fit together like one delicious burger. Notice that the first sentence comes in a little bit from the margin. That's called an indent, and we do this every time we start a new paragraph. If you were typing on a computer, an indent is 5 spaces. If you're writing with a pencil or pen, you can leave the space about the width of your pointer finger. Also notice that between each sentence, you need to leave a space. The space after a period makes your writing easier to read. Now you can practice. Can you write a paragraph using these topic sentences? I visited Grandpa. Or, I want an apple pie. Or, I had a bad day. Keep in mind the parts of a burger as you write. Let's review. Remember that a paragraph is a group of sentences about one main topic, and it has 3 main parts: a topic sentence, a second sentence that tells more, and an ending sentence to close up the paragraph. Whew, now I am getting hungry. While I go find a burger, you practice writing. Then go over what you learned on our fun online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey!